Hi, I'm Hina and welcome to my page where I will be posting a recipe video every day. And this is recipe number 174, cardamom infused panna cotta served with a mango sauce and crushed pistachios. I have always loved panna cotta and the flavor of cardamom, so I decided to fuse the two and it turned out amazing, especially paired with the fresh mango sauce. It's such an easy dessert to make, yet it looks like a luxury dish, perfect for impressing your guests. I also have another panna cotta recipe on my page with a fresh strawberry sauce. Both versions are delicious in their own way and it's always fun experimenting with different flavors. The only slightly tricky part of panna cotta is working with gelatine. If you're using powdered gelatine, the ratio is important. Water should be 5 times the weight of the gelatine. For this recipe, I used 6 grams gelatine with 30 grams of water, but if you prefer a firmer texture, you can use 7 grams of gelatine with 35 grams of water. Once it's bloomed, dissolve it gently on a low flame until completely smooth so that there are no lumps or strings. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know how it goes. And if you have any other fun garnish ideas, I would love to hear them in the comments.